Hi, you guys, it's Kaiden Johnson 91, and today I have this vehicle right behind me, and I'm standing on the front bumper. So can you guys guess what this vehicle is? It's a SWAT truck. So today we're going to give you guys a tour of it. So let's go. So if you guys notice, why is the bumper so big? So why the bumper's so big is because those panels protect the truck from getting bullet shots. And the truck is actually bulletproof too. When we come over to the wheels are like almost big as me. So now you guys want to go see the inside of this big SWAT truck? And there's handcuffs too, so then they can handcuff the bad guys. So then they can handcuff the game master if he's been to jail. Let's check it out. So I think they use the ladders for maybe like climbing buildings, or maybe if like the building's on fire and there's like someone in there, maybe like a bad guy in there, and there's stairs that are broke, maybe they like climb up with the ladders. But they wouldn't be able to climb up, you guys, because look at how small these ladders are. That's like 3 steps. Well, let's see what else is in here. There's more ladders. And there's another compartment, and that's where the drivers sit. Oh my God, why are these doors so heavy? I can't open it. There we go. And this is where the driver sits. So that's where the driver sits, and that's where the passenger sits. And then they wear headphones. There's headphones right there. And and there's like the left roof, the rear, the right roof, flashes, that's the lights, roof, bumper, front, rear, work lights, red, white, drop. So now I think right here, as they keep their guns in the boxes, and then maybe that's like their armor up there. Looks like blankets. And what's in this box? I think that's like a first aid kit right there, so if anyone gets shot at. And then this might be like a safe.
With a seat?
A safe? Oh, a seat?
Yeah.
An extra seat.
Extra seat.
Yeah, no, there's a latch.
Oh yeah, maybe it opens up.
So maybe I found something over here. So maybe if the truck catches on fire, they use this as an emergency exit, but it wouldn't say exit, and then they have, it's like zip tied? That's weird. So, let's see what else. And there's like a weird box. Caps. Oh, and there's another emergency exit right here. So maybe if like some people were sitting over there and then some people were sitting over here, they wouldn't have to like squish over there. Then there's like 2 emergency exits. So you guys, you want to know what I actually found now? I actually found these compartments. There's compartments under the seat. Oh, it's so heavy. We have to try different ones. Okay. It's gonna probably, but that's okay. I need to get some muscles. Oh my God, I can't lift any of these. So there we go. That was like oil in there. We don't want to touch that. It might cause the truck to cause on fire. So you guys, this was super cool checking out the SWAT truck, and this is my first time I've ever seen one in real life. And maybe next time when the sheriff comes to pick it up, he can turn on the lights for us, and we can see how loud the lights are, how cool the lights are, how bright the lights are. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.